Today we're reviewing Preceptor Link, one of the major NP preceptor matching services. Is it the best option for securing your clinical rotations, or should you be looking elsewhere? Stick around because I'll give you a rating from 1 to 10 by the end of this video. If you missed our last reviews, be sure to check out all the other videos in this series where we compare all the top preceptor matching services. You want all the info before deciding. Preceptor Link has been around since 2015, focusing on matching NP students with qualified preceptors across 10 specialties. Their approach emphasizes quality over quantity, which is great if you want a personalized placement. The catch? They don't disclose the full size of their preceptor network. That means depending on your location or specialty, your options could be a bit limited. On the positive side, Preceptor Link offers ongoing support during your rotation. If something goes wrong, they provide replacements, support, and even refunds, minus a small 5% fee. Preceptor Link's process is highly personalized. They consider your specialty, location, and availability to find a preceptor that aligns with your educational goals. This hands-on approach is excellent if you like having input, but keep in mind, with a smaller network, you might have to wait a little longer to find your perfect match. Pricing is based on preceptor honorarium plus business expenses with a 25% deposit that's refundable minus a 5% fee if you back out. The downside is the pricing isn't fully transparent, which can make budgeting tricky. Let's compare that to NPHub. NPHub has completed over 10,000 NP rotations with a network of 2,000 active preceptors across 10 specialties. Pricing is clear, starting at $12.75 per hour with a smaller 15% deposit. They also offer flexible payment plans, handle all paperwork for you, and respond within 24 hours. Plus, their 100% refund and replacement guarantee sets them apart from the competition. So, where does Preceptor Link stand? On a scale from 1 to 10, I give them a solid 7. They focus on quality and personalized matching, which is a plus. But the smaller network and the lack of transparency in pricing hold them back a bit. NPHub, on the other hand, is fast, reliable, and transparent, making it easier for NP students to get their rotations with less stress. If you've used Preceptor Link, NPHub, or any other matching service, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on future reviews. And if you're ready to secure your NP preceptor today, head to nphub.com.